Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need iOS 14 Plus and an iPhone with Face ID. Once confirmed, open Settings and go straight to Accessibility so you can start. You will pick Touch under Accessibility. This is where Back Tap lives, so make sure your passcode is available if required. Now choose Back Tap and decide whether you want double tap or triple tap mapped. This first choice determines the gestures you'll assign. You're starting with Essentials to avoid wasted steps and jump into setting the action immediately. Once in Back Tap, tap the gesture you picked and you'll see a long list of actions. This is where you configure behavior. Choose a built-in system feature like Screenshot or App Switcher, or select an accessibility action if you rely on assistive features. For advanced control, assign a pre-made shortcut. This lets you chain tasks like opening an app and setting a timer. Make your selection and test by tapping the rear of the phone. Adjustments can be made immediately if it feels off. After assigning actions, test Back Tap in normal holding positions and on different surfaces to confirm reliability. If taps are inconsistent, toggle Back Tap off and on, restart the iPhone and retry. This clears sensors and often fixes detection. If problems persist, reduce case thickness or remove the case, because heavy cases can block taps. Alternatively, assign a different gesture sensitivity by switching double to triple tap.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.